Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a Toyota Highlander hybrid. Jump-starting a hybrid vehicle is a straightforward process when you know the correct steps. We will cover everything from gathering your necessary equipment to safely disconnecting the cables. This guide focuses on the 12-volt auxiliary battery, which powers the vehicle's electronics and allows the hybrid system to start. Let's get your vehicle running smoothly again. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate protective gear, such as safety glasses and gloves, to prevent any potential injuries. Make sure both vehicles are completely off and not touching each other. Inspect your jumper cables for any signs of damage or fraying. Only use cables in good condition. Turning off all electrical accessories in both cars helps prevent electrical surges. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your Highlander Hybrid's 12-volt battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, connect one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Finally, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Highlander Hybrid, away from the battery. Once the cables are connected, start the engine of the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 minutes to charge your hybrid's battery. After this brief charging period, try starting your Toyota Highlander hybrid. If it starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First the negative from your hybrid, then the negative from the donor car, followed by the positive from the donor car, and finally the positive from your hybrid. Drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes to ensure the battery recharges fully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.